Hello YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt Fam. So today we have returned to OTP, or Old Time Pottery, and I can't see shit because I just got out of the eye doctor's office and I dilated my eyes like a freaking crackhead. So I'm going to try and get prices, and we'll get us a code orange up in there today. Hopefully these shelves are loaded for bear, because I've been here a couple of times since then. They haven't had any place filled up yet. So let's get up in there today and see what the hell they got. We'll try and see. Okay, YouTubes, we're in. Check it out. Man, they have got skulls galore. Look at this thing. This dude's huge, man. He's resin. Oh, he's got a thin bottom, so gotta be careful with him. Is he 29? Is that what that says? I can't really see because my meth head eyes. Yeah, 29. Are you doing disco, or does it blink by? You're doing disco. Those are solid. They got a ton of them, man. Look at all these things. They got a whole table down here, a whole table up here, and they got a whole row up there. Look at all them bad boys. So if you guys want some big giant skulls for your columns to top, come to OTP. They brought these little guys back from last year. Is that $5.99 or $6.99? I can't tell with my meth head eyes. I think that's $5.99, $6. Got a silver version, same thing. Yeah. This is new for this year. This little dancing, dabbing skeleton. He's got little crystal eyes or something like that. Oh wait, he's a light up. Oh, there we go. He does nothing. Oh, there's a tab. Okay, we're gonna pull the tab. Oh, check it out. He's a dabbing skeleton with red eyes.
That's scary.
How much is this little guy? Did I say $6? I can't remember now. On top of my blind meth mouth eyes, I got dementia. What is this little guy? $5.99. Okay, so dabbing skeleton's $5.99. Let's kill this battery so we don't waste it for somebody. All right. Oh man, they got all kinds of skellies. Look at these little guys. I don't know if they do anything or not. No, okay, they're just static, and I think that says $14.99. $14.99. Okay. They're pretty freaking heavy too. Like I don't think a cat could push those off the top of a TV. We've seen the dabbing skeletons. Oh my God, freaking gnomes, 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 no gnomes, no gnomes. Nothing but dumpster fire here. Let's keep looking. Let's see. How many days till Halloween? $9.99. It's like ghost or pumpkin. Oh man, why would you put glitter on Frankenstein and friggin' mummy? I'd like to touch them to tell you guys how much they are, but I don't want to know that bad. What a freaking shame to Boris Karloff and both his characters. Oh my God. You can't glitter Boris Karloff, man. That's just not cool. Well, these are smaller skulls roses that we saw last time. $8. So in my other video, we saw the ones with the red ones. Did we see the kitty and the pumpkin? That's new for now, ain't it? Yeah, $12.99. Kitty and the pumpkin. All right, and then again, the back side of the skulls. And they're huge and they're heavy too. We got little pumpkins. Little pumpkins. Ooh, these are heavy. $9.99. I like those. Those are cool. They got books. Let's see, Bruise Potion Bats. $12.99. And they got Witch's Brew Potions, Spooky Spells. How much is that? $12.99. So, not too hateful. Candy dishes. Little mummy. No glitter. Always a bonus. $8. Can't beat that for a candy dish. Keys. Candy corn. Candy dish. $3.99. So they got a pumpkin too, right? Oh, a little pumpkin. $3.99. Pretty cool. Looks like they still got room for stuff at the bottom. Let's keep on creeping. Alright, looks like they got some bats. I don't know if I showed these in a prior video.
You did.
Yeah, non-blinking eyes. Or maybe they are blinking and I just can't tell because I'm freaking blind right now. How much are these guys? They got this little guy. Looks like he's made of like pantyhose. The Pantyhose Bats, $8. And the big hanger guys are free. My wings extend almost 4 feet across. Okay. How much are you, Gypsy? Okay, so they're $14.99 for almost 4 foot across. So they must have wires in which you can stretch out. He's pretty good size, man. I mean, not too bad. So for $15, felt bats. Looks like they're just landscaping fabric. Okay, they got a bunch of stab-ins. These are all new. What's these little guys? There's a sticker on them. Oh, $8. Not too bad. At least they're all steel. I like that. Bunch of candy corns. How much are the candy corns? Or they do just hang? you can pick out a candy corn for your name. $9.99, so $10. All right, let's see what else they got. Sugar skulls, ghosts. How much are sugar skulls? $4, not bad. They're MDF, so you're gonna want to put a coat of clear on them before you stick them outside, because they'll swell up and obliterate. And I think we saw these guys last time. Okay, they did bring the dolls back last year. From last year, yeah. We got one of these. These are actually pretty cool. I stick mine in a an urn from just like Michael did over at Happy Haunting. I stole his ideas. But thank you, Michael. And I got a black version too. She got red eyes? Yeah, so she's red also. Okay. We got the tombstones we saw. We saw all these guys last time in my other video. And we saw all the skellies. These guys are $15. Yeah, for the 3-footers. I like the ones that were better at Party City. So let's keep on creeping and see what else they got. Oh, we can't even leave the aisle yet. Look at this. They got the creepy cloth in green. I think it's $2.99 here. Yeah, it's $2.99. So it's one of the rare places to find actual green creepy cloth. The white and the gray. So I have to get some of that, load up on that. All right, we're going to wander around, see what else they got. Man, so right at the end cap, they got these little haunted houses. They're $15. They just wrote the price down on the wall. But they're sheet metal. You just stab them in the ground. What do you think about that, Trevor? Those are pretty cool. I think you need that for your bedroom. Stick it right behind your TV. What is that? Oh no, they got the glitter bomb balls. Jesus Christ. Giant 6-inch ornaments. Oh, that's disgusting. At least they're in bags. They had the sense to bag the stuff. Oh, they got pillows. Look at this.
Oh, look at this one.
Don't touch it. Put it down inside of a bag. I bet you they're probably pretty decent on their pillows. Okay, $12.99. That's not so decent for a small pillow. Trick or Treat. $14.99. What else they got? Skulls. Kind of a skull motif with a little hemp rope on the edge. Is that going to be $14.99 too? $12.99. So a big pillow's $12.99. The little one's $12.99. I don't get it. They got Welcome Kitties. How much is Welcome Kitty? Welcome Kitty is $12.99. Okay, so not bad. They're definitely better than $60 pillows at Joann's. Trick or Treat. That's nice and soft and felty. Trick or Treat. If the broom fits, write it. How much is broom? Broom's $12, so that's not bad. $12.99. All right, let's keep on creeping. I think they got more over there. Okay, so they got a bunch more stab-ins. These are sort of like a transparency. Ooh, that's actual glass with a metal owl. I'm probably gonna break that. I think that says $12.99 or $13.99. It says pretty cheap. So look at this little flower with an eye in it. And it's got little hands on the side. How freaking cool is that? Oh, they're covered in glitter. Even though I'm blind ass fool, I can see that. Abandon. Abort. Get out of there. Look at this little crazy cat. He's got some sugar in his tank. I think he's got a little head wiggle. You stab him in the ground. $15. And they've got glitter bomb witches. Ugh, green glitter, orange glitter, black glitter, purple glitter. You got 4 flavors of glitter for $14.99. They should just torch this whole damn store because of that crap. Let's go find something else. Okay, so for $12.99, I find these little ghosts. Again, stab-ins, no glitter, total bonus. And these guys are probably, man, from top to bottom, probably 2 feet tall. They got a bunch of those. You can repaint them if you want to deck them out. Looks like right across to the other end cap, they got these little skeleton guys, a little bit of sugar in his tank. All steel, so that's cool. These guys are $7.99. And they're probably, maybe 18 inches tall, stab in the ground. They got the little trucks. Little trucks are $12.99. Oop, don't fall down. It's gonna be like dominoes in this damn store. Is there anything else over there, Savage?
Doggo.
Oh no, freaking geese. We gotta get the hell out of here. Okay, YouTube, so that's OTP. I looked around, I don't see anything else. I don't know if we're gonna have much more this year or not. I'll probably stop in one more time, give them like another 2 weeks, so they should be like in full swing. So if they're hiding anything in the back, it should be out. Most everything's boxed up on the floor. So I might swing back in here this year. I might not, but we're gonna keep on shopping. Why you touch me? We're gonna keep on shopping the whole summer long, guys, and find all the good deals and see what they got at Halloween everywhere. See you in the next one.